Hi everyone, my name is Claire. Shout out to Blake who's filming me. Today I'm going to show you how to roll up a sleeping bag. So if it's in a mesh bag like this, you'll take it out and you'll also find the bag it comes in. Just ignore Andrew in the back, never know what he's doing. Or Carter down in the gear closet will give you one to put it in. You're going to lay out your sleeping bag so it's flat and nice. Then you're going to fold in your sides so it matches the width of the bottom. Kind of get out some air if there's any in there. Then you're going to start at the bottom and roll as tightly as you can. It's okay if your sides come undone. You can just fold them in once you get up there. So you'll just keep rolling, making sure the sides stay in until you get to the top. Then once you're at the top, you should have something like this, a little cinnamon roll. You're gonna grab your bag. You're just gonna stuff it in there. It'll be a little bit snug, but it'll all fit in.
We don't call it a compression sack for nothing.
So then once it's in there, you'll just pull on the black string, then you'll pinch down on this, pull it down. There's your rolled up sleeping bag.